Coherent is an unremarkable name for a company doing extraordinary things. It develops, manufactures, and markets engineered materials, optoelectronic components, and optical and laser systems. These products are used in industries such as industrial, communications, electronics, and instrumentation markets. Coherent is known for using cutting-edge technologies, including advanced materials growth and high-precision fabrication, to produce complex devices and modules. The products developed by Coherent are deployed across multiple market verticals like precision manufacturing, aerospace and defense, semiconductor capital equipment, display capital equipment, telecommunication networks, data communication networks, consumer electronics, automotive, wireless, life sciences, and scientific research. Revenue streams primarily come from the development, manufacturing, and marketing of its diverse product portfolio, with a smaller portion generated from externally funded research and development contracts. Coherent's customer base is diverse and includes original equipment manufacturers, laser end users, system integrators of high-power lasers, and manufacturers of equipment and devices for various end markets. Through strategic investments in research and development and acquisitions, the company has expanded its portfolio of materials and product platforms. One of its key competencies lies in bulk and epitaxial crystal growth, allowing it to produce materials with unique properties. It's also known for its precision optics, which are shaped using advanced surfacing techniques and coated with proprietary processes that enhance durability and performance in extreme environments. These optics are used in a range of applications, from miniature assemblies to large-scale precision optical components. Additionally, Coherent offers a broad portfolio of compound semiconductor lasers that enable applications like optical signal transmission and amplification in communications networks, materials processing, and biomedical instruments. Coherent's lasers segment consists of lasers and optics, which cater to industrial customers in semiconductor and display capital equipment, precision manufacturing, and aerospace and defense, as well as instrumentation customers in life sciences and scientific devices. Beyond lasers, Coherent is a significant supplier of silicon carbide substrates, which are used in power electronics and wireless mobile markets. Business operations span the globe, with its headquarters located in Saxonburg, Pennsylvania, USA. The company has research and development, manufacturing, and sales facilities worldwide, including numerous locations in the United States and international sites in countries such as Australia, China, Finland, Germany, India, and Singapore. In addition to its in-house operations, Coherent also partners with contract manufacturers and strategic suppliers to support its business. The company has sales and marketing subsidiaries in various countries, including Belgium, Canada, France, Japan, and the United Kingdom, often co-located with its manufacturing sites. This extensive global presence enables Coherent to serve its diverse customer base and capitalize on growth opportunities in various markets. Success in developing and manufacturing products relies heavily on the ability to tailor the optical and physical properties of complex materials and components. Expertise in producing, processing, and refining these materials, while controlling their quality and in-process yields, is crucial to meeting customer needs. Given the specialized nature of the markets Coherent serves, there are often limited suppliers of high-quality components, and aside from data center transceivers, few industry-standard products exist. The company's lasers are designed to displace conventional technologies by offering faster performance, higher quality, economic benefits, and enabling next-generation applications. To achieve its manufacturing goals, Coherent operates a network of worldwide sites that leverage cost-effective and risk management advantages. It employs advanced manufacturing technologies and systems, including metal organic chemical vapor deposition reactors, automated computer numeric control optical fabrication, and high-throughput thin-film coaters. These technologies enable Coherent to produce lasers in various forms, such as gas, semiconductor, solid-state crystal, or fiber, with diverse output wavelengths and application-specific features. Developing products that operate across the electromagnetic spectrum requires the ability to manufacture components with high yields to atomic tolerances. To ensure product quality, Coherent continually updates its comprehensive quality management systems, which feature manufacturing best practices. In terms of supply chain management, Coherent relies on third-party suppliers for numerous optical, electrical, and mechanical parts used in its production processes. While raw materials and subcomponents are generally available from multiple sources, The laser segment purchases several key components and materials from sole source or limited source suppliers. The company also relies on its own production and design capabilities to manufacture strategic components, crystals, fibers, semiconductor lasers, and laser-based systems. Ensuring the high quality and availability of these raw materials is critical to maintaining stable and predictable manufacturing yields. To mitigate potential risks, Coherent develops strategic second sources as part of its business continuity planning and works to specify and test raw materials throughout the production process. Coherent reports its results in three main reporting segments: networking, materials, and lasers. Each of these segments is organized by business unit and develops and markets distinct products. The networking segment leverages the company's compound semiconductor technology platforms and knowledge of end-user applications to deliver differentiated components and subsystems. This segment's products include solutions for high bitrate interconnects in telecommunications and cloud service providers, pluggable transceivers for datacom applications, and advanced optics used in various industries. The materials segment is a market leader in engineered materials and optoelectronic devices, such as those based on ZNSE, ZNS, GAAS, INP, GASB, and SiC. This segment's products include laser optics and accessories for CO2 lasers, high-power fiber and direct diode laser optics, infrared thermal imaging optics, and polycrystalline materials production. The segment also offers specialty refining, recycling, and materials recovery services for high-purity rare metals, advanced ceramic and metal matrix composite products, and high-power semiconductor lasers and laser bars. The laser segment's products serve industrial customers in semiconductor and display capital equipment, precision manufacturing, and aerospace and defense, as well as instrumentation customers in life sciences and scientific instrumentation. This segment's products include excimer lasers, solid-state lasers, laser systems, CO2 lasers, and specialty lasers and optical systems for aerospace and defense applications. The laser segment's products are designed to meet specific needs, such as high-pulse energy UV gas and solid-state lasers, ultra-fast lasers, and high-power continuous-wave gas IR lasers. Within the networking business unit, Coherent's products enable high-bit-rate interconnects for communications and cloud service providers, including in terrestrial and undersea fiber optic transmission. The company also offers pluggable transceivers for Ethernet and fiber channel applications in cloud, hyperscale, and enterprise data center applications. Additionally, the networking segment's advanced optics products include fiber optics and precision optics used in projection displays, crystal materials and components for optical communications, and high-power UV, visible, and NIR optics for industrial lasers. The materials business unit develops and markets a range of products, including laser devices and systems, wide bandgap electronics, and optoelectronic devices and modules. These products include high-power semiconductor lasers and laser bars, laser heads and modules, Q-switched laser modules, and high-power uncooled pump laser modules. The segment also offers precision optical assemblies, infrared optics, thin film coatings, and optical materials, as well as optical solutions for critical and complex design, engineering, and production challenges in aerospace and defense. The lasers business unit is divided into several product areas, including excimer lasers, solid-state lasers, laser systems, CO2 lasers, and aerospace and defense products. Each of these product areas offers a range of products designed to meet specific needs, such as high-pulse energy UV gas and solid-state lasers, ultra-fast lasers, and high-power continuous-wave gas IR lasers. The company's laser systems products include subsystems incorporating various lasers, optics, beam manipulation, monitoring, and control electronics, as well as standard systems incorporating standard subsystems in a complete mechanical housing. Coherent's market-focused businesses are organized by technologies and products and report based on four main markets: industrial, communications, electronics, and instrumentation. Within the industrial market group, the company has several key verticals, including precision manufacturing, aerospace and defense, semiconductor capital equipment, and display capital equipment. The precision manufacturing vertical enables a wide variety of applications, including EV battery welding, fine processing of medical devices, additive manufacturing, and high-temperature superconducting wires and tapes. The company's vertically integrated and market-leading ZNSE optics and components are critical for high-power CO2 laser systems, and its portfolio of coated optics and crystal materials serves growing laser markets. Fiber lasers that operate at about the 1 micron wavelength have taken a central role in many industrial applications, and Coherent supplies a broad range of materials and components that enable many functions within these fiber lasers. In the aerospace and defense market vertical, Coherent solutions enable mission-critical capabilities for applications in high-energy lasers, contested space, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. The company's products, including uniquely grown single crystals and advanced ceramics, are embedded on nearly every platform in the field and are used in advanced missile warning, electro-optical targeting, and imaging systems. Coherent's advanced sapphire, germanium, and multispectral domes provide unique protection to advanced imaging, seeker, and laser solutions, and its solutions for space-based applications have been used in high-profile projects like the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. In the semiconductor capital equipment market vertical, Coherent is well-positioned to capitalize on growth in both front-end-of-line, FEOL, and back-end-of-line, BEOL, products. Advanced materials including metal matrix composites and reaction-bonded ceramics enable applications that require tight tolerances, enhanced thermal stability, and reduced stage settling times. Coherent's products, including cooled SiC mirrors and precision-patterned reticles, are used in the illumination systems of lithography tools, and its large-area polycrystalline diamond windows enable CO2 laser systems for EUV lithography. The company's lasers are widely used in both front-end and back-end applications, including semiconductor inspection tasks, wafer annealing, and advanced packaging applications. In the display capital equipment market vertical, Coherent has achieved breakthrough laser innovations essential for manufacturing displays for phones, tablets, computers, and TVs. The company's excimer laser solutions can improve precision, increase productivity, and maximize yield and maintain it along the process chain from backplane to individual display. Coherent's lasers are used in various display manufacturing applications such as laser liftoff processes for flexible OLED displays and cutting and shaping of display panels. The portfolio of laser sources and optical systems is designed to meet the requirements of display customers now and in the future, including the manufacture of next-generation micro-LED displays. Coherent's communications market group is a global technology leader in optical communications, providing materials, subcomponents, components, modules, and subsystems to optical component and module manufacturers, networking equipment manufacturers, data center operators, enterprises, and telecom service providers. Its products and technologies enable next-generation high-speed optical transmission systems, networks, and data center solutions necessary to meet the accelerating global bandwidth demand, driven by the growing need for additional network bandwidth. The demand for Coherent's products is driven by the increasing need for network bandwidth, created by the proliferation of data and video traffic from sources like video conferencing, video downloads and streaming, social networking, online gaming, file sharing, enterprise IP internet traffic, cloud computing, data center virtualization, and the new optical connectivity needed to support AI and ML. Coherent's optical communications products can be divided into two main groups: optical transmission and optical transport. The company's optical transmission products consist primarily of transmitters, receivers, transceivers, transponders, and active optical cables, which provide the fundamental optoelectronic interface for interconnecting the electronic equipment used in networks. These products rely on advanced components such as semiconductor lasers and photodetectors, in conjunction with integrated circuits and novel optoelectronic packaging to provide a cost-effective means for transmitting and receiving digital signals over fiber optic cable at speeds ranging from less than 1 gigabit per second to more than 800 gigabits per second. In the datacom market vertical, Coherent sees a major market transition driven by the dramatic growth in AI and ML. The company expects the market opportunity for 800G and 1.6T datacom transceivers to be greater than all other types of datacom transceivers combined in 5 years, largely driven by AI and ML. Coherent already has a complete portfolio of transceivers matched to the requirements set by AI and ML, and these transceivers are protocol agnostic, meaning the same transceiver hardware can support Ethernet and InfiniBand, as well as proprietary protocols for AI and ML. Investments have been made for a unique level of vertical integration, allowing Coherent to design and manufacture transceivers internally, as well as design and manufacture many components, including lasers, detectors, ICs, and passive optics. Coherent's 800G and 1.6T transceivers require 100G and 200G lane lasers, and the type of laser used is determined by the data rate and the fiber link length. Different laser technologies, including VCSELs, single-mode devices, and EMLs, are used to support various link distances and applications. Coherent has multiple 6-inch GAAS VCSEL fabs in the US and Europe, and its 100G lane VCSELs are in production to support 400G and 800G transceivers. Work is underway on 200G lane VCSELs, which will require significant changes in the VCSEL device design and fabrication. For Level 1 switching for distances greater than can be supported by VCSELs, and for telecom access, single-mode devices are used, and Coherent has multiple NP fabs in the US and Europe. The company's latest generation of components for Coherent transceivers is critical to a new generation of small-size, long-reach DWDM transmission modules operating from 100 Gbps to 1 Tbps and beyond. Coherent's electronics market group serves various market verticals, including consumer electronics, automotive, and wireless. In the consumer electronics market, the company manufactures GAAS VCSELs and VCSEL arrays, NP edge-emitting lasers and photodiodes, as well as specialty glass wafers. Coherent's VCSEL products leverage its world-class 6-inch GAAS platform, combining epitaxial wafer growth and wafer fabrication capabilities. The company's VCSELs have been used in consumer products such as computer mice and mobile phones for many years, and are also widely deployed in data centers and HDMI optical cables. In addition to VCSELs, Coherent's products for the consumer electronics market include wafer-scale optics, diffraction gratings, thermoelectric coolers, driver ICs, and substrates for sensing and AR/VR applications. The company is one of the very few vertically integrated 6-inch VCSEL manufacturers, with a proven track record in high-volume manufacturing of high-reliability, large multi-emitter VC cell arrays designed for 3D sensing. An increasing number of consumer devices are coming on the market with embedded VCSELs, including multiple smartphones and tablets, AR and VR headsets, smartwatches, and household robots. In the automotive market vertical, Coherent is a global leader in SiC substrates for power electronics that improve the energy efficiency of electric and hybrid electric vehicles. The company's comprehensive understanding of crystal growth and materials processing was acquired over decades of sustained R&D and manufacturing, allowing it to continuously evolve its technology and IP portfolio. Its industry-leading semiconductor lasers, optics, and materials can be leveraged for LiDAR systems embedded in advanced driver assistance systems for autonomous vehicles. The company's product offerings include edge emitters and VC cells that are capable of providing a wide range of wavelengths and peak powers for direct illumination and imaging in short and long-range LiDAR solutions. Coherent's products also enable the most advanced in-cabin control and monitoring systems for the latest applications in human-vehicle interactions. The company's VCSELs are ideal for optical touch sensors integrated in dashboards or steering wheels, and its VCSEL arrays can provide infrared cabin illumination and structured light projection to enable gesture recognition. Additionally, Coherent offers thermal management solutions that are qualified to stringent automotive industry standards and tailored to various applications. In the wireless market vertical, Coherent is a global leader in the strategic supply chain for materials and devices used in the latest 4G, 5G, and 6G base station infrastructure. The company's GaN-on-S ICRF power amplifiers have superior performance compared with devices based on silicon over a wide spectrum of 5G operating frequencies in the gigahertz range. Coherent is a market leader in the technology development and large volume manufacturing of semi-insulating SiC substrates, which are utilized by customers worldwide to manufacture GaN-on-S ICRF HEMT RF power amplifier devices. The company's introduction of the world's first 200mm semi-insulating SiC substrates will enable the RF power amplifier market to continue to scale, increasingly replacing functions performed by devices based on silicon and enabling new applications. Coherent's Instrumentation market group serves the life sciences and scientific research market verticals. Within the life sciences end market, the company focuses on instrumentation that integrates light and/or thermal management solutions, segmenting this market into 3 application areas: biotechnology, analytical, and medical. Coherent delivers targeted and unique product portfolios for each segment, vertically integrating from the material level to high-precision components, complex subassemblies, and even full subsystems. In the biotechnology segment, Coherent's products are used in research and diagnostic tools such as flow cytometry, genome sequencing, PCR, and sequencing. The company's broad product portfolio delivers solutions covering illumination, light management, thermal management, sample loading, and detection. Visible wavelength lasers and multicolored laser and LED engines provide low noise, high-performance, reliable light sources. Optical components and subassemblies such as filters, lenses, flow cells, gratings, objective lenses, and patterned reticles are embedded into these instruments to manage light delivery and detection. In the analytical instrumentation segment, Coherent solutions are used in spectroscopy-based applications such as monitoring of air and water, food and beverage products, agriculture, and pharmaceutical quality control. The company's products are designed to be rugged enough to be deployed in the field and often must be transportable. Coherent's solutions include lasers and LED solutions for illumination, optics for light management, sample loading, thermal control, and integrated detection solutions. In the medical segment, Coherent's products are used in medical lasers, imaging, point-of-care wearables, and thermal-based treatment solutions. The company's semiconductor laser bars and stacks are used in applications such as hair and wrinkle removal, and femtosecond lasers combined with excimer lasers are used for common procedures like LASIK. Crystals and laser cavities, along with custom-designed lens assemblies, are used for ophthalmic, dental, and dermatological surgeries. In the scientific research market vertical, Coherent's products include CW lasers for microscopy, advanced ultra-fast pulsed laser sources, and high-energy pulsed excimer gas lasers. These systems are sold to universities and research institutions across the globe. Coherent markets its products and services through a direct sales force and through representatives and distributors around the world. Market strategy is focused on understanding its customers' requirements and building market awareness and acceptance of its products and services. New products are continually being developed and introduced to new and established customers in all markets. Coherent is a global leader in many of its product families and competes on its core competencies, including its ability to scale, product quality, on-time delivery, and technical support. It leverages its intellectual property, vertical integration, manufacturing facilities, and worldwide marketing and distribution channels to maintain its competitive advantages. Coherent's top competitors include companies such as Broadcom Corporation, IDEX Corporation, and IPG Photonics. The main strategy to grow its business centers on what has been described as world-class engineered materials and laser processing capabilities, advancing its current customer strategies, reaching new markets through innovative technologies and platforms, and enabling new applications in large and growing markets. Coherent focuses on developing and manufacturing high-performance materials and components that are differentiated from those produced by its competitors. Priority is placed on providing critical components for its customers' products and continues to grow the number and size of its key accounts. Coherent's R&D program is known as the Coherent Phase Gate process. Resources focus on continuously improving existing products and processes, as well as developing new materials, technologies, platforms, and products. Coherent's R&D investments are spread across various areas, including networking, materials, and lasers. In the networking area, development is underway on new products and technologies such as high-end datacom transceivers, optical circuit switches, and coherent optics and transceivers. In materials, investment flows into high-power laser diodes, semiconductor lasers, and SiC technology. The company is also developing new laser technologies, including diode-pumped solid-state lasers, ultra-fast fiber lasers, and excimer lasers. In addition to these areas, Coherent is investing in other R&D initiatives such as space-based laser communications and optical components for laser systems. For more on Coherent and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.